A $500 billion war just started, and for the first time, NVIDIA might actually lose. Every AI model you see, like Gemini, Claude, and DeepSeek, runs on AI chips, and for years, NVIDIA has been the dominant player in this space. Its GPUs became the default choice for training and running AI models. Most companies building AI systems rely heavily on NVIDIA hardware because of its strong performance and well-developed software ecosystem. At one point, NVIDIA controlled nearly the entire AI chip market, which means whoever controls AI chips controls the future. But now, that dominance is under attack. Every major company wants independence. Large technology companies are no longer comfortable depending on a single supplier for such a critical part of their infrastructure. The demand for AI chips has grown faster than supply, leading to high costs and limited availability. This has pushed companies to explore alternatives and, in many cases, build their own solutions. One of the biggest shifts is the move toward custom silicon. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Meta are designing their own chips specifically for their internal workloads. Google has its TPUs, Amazon has Trainium and Inferentia, and Meta is actively developing its own AI accelerators. These chips are tailored for specific tasks, which allows them to be more efficient and cost-effective than general-purpose GPUs. At the same time, companies like ARM are entering the market with their own processors, moving beyond their traditional role of licensing designs. This adds another layer of competition, especially in data centers where efficiency and scalability are critical. Another important factor is software independence. NVIDIA's strength is not just hardware, but its CUDA platform, which developers have used for years. Many companies are now investing in alternative software ecosystems to reduce reliance on CUDA. This includes open standards and in-house frameworks that can run across different types of hardware. The financial scale of this shift is massive. Governments and private companies are investing heavily in AI infrastructure, including chip development, manufacturing, and data centers. The combined spending across the United States, China, and other regions is pushing the total investment toward the $500 billion mark. This is not a short-term trend, but a long-term restructuring of the technology supply chain. Despite this, NVIDIA is not suddenly losing its position. It still has a strong lead in performance, ecosystem maturity, and developer adoption. Its chips are widely used and trusted, and switching away from them is not simple. However, its share of the market could gradually decrease as more alternatives become viable. The key change is that the market is no longer one-sided. Instead of a single dominant supplier, the future is likely to involve multiple players, each offering different strengths depending on the use case. Some will focus on training large models, others on running them efficiently, and others on edge devices. In simple terms, the AI chip industry is expanding so quickly that it is creating space for new competitors. NVIDIA remains a major player, but it is no longer the only option. The outcome of this competition will depend on performance, cost, software support, and how well each company adapts to the evolving needs of AI systems. This is why the current moment matters. The decisions being made now in terms of hardware and infrastructure will shape how AI is built and deployed over the next decade.